Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here one more job in NIT Silchar. Okay, so NIT Silchar recruitment in 2021, there is non-teaching post in NIT. Okay, National Institute of Technology Silchar invites online application that is found in India IndGov jobs. Okay, so there are many posts. One post: registrar, deputy registrar, assistant registrar, librarian, medical officer, Hindi officer, superintendent, junior Hindi translator, technical assistant, junior assistant post, and senior assistant posts. Okay, so age limit is registrar 56, deputy registrar 50. Please watch this video till the last and you will be able to get the all the information regarding this job, and please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Deputy registrar 50, assistant registrar 35 years, librarian 56 years, medical officer 35 years, Hindi officer 35 years, superintendent 30 years, junior Hindi translator 30 years, junior engineer 30 years, senior assistant 33 years. Pay scale will be pay level 14 to pay level 4. That is the different pay level for different pay scale for different post. So education qualification for registrar, you should have the graduation master's degree with 7.7 scale UGC. Okay, so this is for holding analogous post at least 15-year experience. Deputy registrar master's degree in any discipline with at least 55% marks and at least 9-year experience. Okay, assistant registrar master degree in any discipline with at least 55% marks and good academic record. Okay, now librarian master degree in library science, information science, documentation with CGPA of 6.5 in 10 points scale and at least 60% marks in equivalent in grade. Okay, holding analogous post at least 10-year relevant experience. Medical officer need MBBS degree equivalent qualification included in any one of the schedule to the Indian Medical Council. Okay, superintendent first class bachelor degree, master degree in its equivalent, knowledge of computer application. Hindi officer, junior Hindi translator, master degree in Hindi with English at compulsory or elective subjects. Okay, and technical assistant BTech in MCA relevant subject, first class diploma in engineering of relevant field, excellence academic record, first class bachelor degree, master degree in science. SAS assistant, that is first class bachelor degree in physical education, strong record of participating in sports, drama, music, film, painting, photography, journalism. Junior engineer first class BTech in civil and electrical engineering. So this is for fresher can apply for junior engineer. Senior assistant, senior secondary 10+2 metric with 12 class from the recognized board of the minimum typing speed is 35 WPM and proficiency of computer word. Okay, selection will be written test and skill test and interview. Application fee is not specified. And how to apply: eligible candidate apply online through NIT Silchar recruitment portal. I will give you the link in my description where you can go there and directly reach the site. The last date of submission is 2nd of July 2021. Application must upload all the relevant documents self-assisted and connection with the credential claimed by him her in PDF format. So you have to change your document in PDF format and self-attested. Okay, the candidate are requested to provide their active email ID, mobile number. After submission, the application scanned copy of the application form duly signed by the candidate along with the document uploaded at the time of applying has to be forwarded to the email indfapt/21@nits.ac.in with subject application for the post, name of the post, application name. So you have to send the email also after submission the application. You have to send the email also at idnfapt/21@nits.ac.in with the subject line is application for the post and name of the post and applicant name. So please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thank you. Good day and take care.